Hello and welcome back. Today we are adding a new layer to our fraction problems. Parentheses. On the board, the quantity 2 and 1/4 plus 1 and 1/8, all divided by 1 and a half, then divided by 3/4. Let's break it down step by step. The order of operations tell us to start inside the parentheses. 2 and 1/4 becomes 9/4, and 1 and 1/8 becomes 9/8. Since 8 is multiple of 4, we convert 9/4 into 18/8. Now we add 18/8 plus 9/8 equals 27/8. Now let's rewrite the problem. 27/8 divided by 1 and a half divided by 3/4. One and a half becomes 3/2. So our chain is 27/8 divided by 3/2 divided by 3/4. Golden rule, left to right. 27/8 divided by 3/2. Remember K, C, F, keep, change, flip. 27/8 times over 3. 27/8 times 2/3. Cross cancel. 27 and 3 reduced to 9 and 1. 2 and 8 reduced to 1 and 4. That gives us 9/4. Next, 9/4 divided by 3/4. Keep, change, flip one more time. 9/4 times 4/3. The 4 cancel completely, and 9/3 is 3. Our answer is exactly 3. That's right. After all those fractions, the answer is a clean whole number, 3. Quick recap. Solve inside the parentheses first. Then convert your mixed numbers, work left to right, and remember that dividing by a fraction means multiplying by its reciprocal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.